Hey y'all, welcome back to Joyful Loop. Today we are in Dallas, Texas at the Perot Museum of Nature and Science. Man, look at this place. From the architecture to the beautiful displays. Look at this beautiful view of downtown Dallas. As we get closer to our first stop, we get to see this massive T-Rex. My kids love this. We can even see it from the freeway. First stop, the wonderful universe. Look at all these planets and stars. So many things to take in and learn. Then we get a chance to see the animals of the past, present, a few from land and sea. As we continue our journey through the museum, we made it to the Earth Hall, where the kids were able to experience a mock earthquake and so much more. And my favorite part of the museum, the gems in the minerals hall. Wow, look at these natural beauties. Next, we made our way to the Discovery Life Hall. And after that, the Engineering and Innovations Hall, where there were so many interactive activities for you and the kids to enjoy. We had a blast. As we enter the lower level, we enter the sports hall with plenty of activities to do, like racing your favorite athlete or animal. And a kid-friendly area where the kids can play in a market or experience the Glow Center for extra fun. Maybe you can do a little shopping at the gift shop on your way out. Thanks for watching!